Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host, Martin, man, and today, we're gonna be looking at crypto. Where to now? So if you're catching this some live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're enjoying the content here at So Crypto, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. How's it going, people? Thank you all for being here on this awesome, what is it today? Friday night, man. It just feels... Last week, I felt like I aged 1,000 years. It's been crazy, man. Andrew, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. It's been nuts. Finally turned in our tender today, which is good. Yeah, tender time. That's pretty awesome, turning in the tender. Took us forever, man, to finish it. It was super stressful because I had to turn it in, and it was one of those things where you're working on the document and everyone's sending you last minute changes, and then they're like, oh, it has no index. It's like, how am I gonna have an index for like where things are gonna go when y'all still sending me stuff and I still gotta add it to the document? Like, that's the last thing I want to make. So yeah, we ended up submitting like 10 minutes before the deadline. And I think it was okay. I'm super tired from it. Like yesterday, I was on stream because I was working on documents. And yesterday before, it was a short stream. And I've been getting like very little sleep this last couple days, man. Like, 2-3 hours. But, oh, man. Finally, the weekend. And now it's just stress because now we have to work on the presentation that we have to give regarding the proposal that we submitted, which is, again, pretty cool that it's done. That part is done. Let's get rolling, see what's gonna happen. Jake, thank you very much for being here. Jake says, I think we're gonna see 18K this weekend. We might. I don't want to be the bringer of bear news, but we might, right? Let's go check out market cap. Let's see where we're at. $864 billion. What? Oh, look at the bullishness we had. Oh, we lost it. What? And now we're moving sideways. All right, but we're still having this bullish divergence there, right? It's still trying to get us to hold and trying to get us to go up. We shall see. Oversold at 23.82. That's it. Again, potential fraction of the upside if we do pump. 20 moving average at 1.11 trillion. At least we'll be above a trillion. If we go higher than that, 1.19 trillion is going to be our resistance. Jake has been calling 18 all week. Right on. Oh, dude, I haven't even seen Ethereum. Is it below the thousands? No, still at 1,000. I haven't really been able to look at the market a lot yesterday and today. I'm glad we're not like dying here in crypto, man. Like, oh, we're so dying in crypto, but now we're sort of trying to hold. We're not at a good level, right? We're broke. We're broke this here area, which was holding us support. Now we are in this area where we could drop to 19,666. We're actually gonna go see this chart. I think this one has better areas. And we are very close to that same area, right? Again, similar areas here at the 20s and then the 19,000s, right? So we are above the 20K still. And it's proving to be a good support. Now, the thing is, are we going to bounce from here, man? Or are we going to go down on the weekend? Right? How bearish is the weekend going to be? It cycles. Yeah, I know. It'll be fine. I'm worried, man. I'm worried where we're at, right? We could certainly see a drop, but if we do hold this area on the weekend, we might be setting up for some kind of recovery before we actually get another wave down, right? Let's go see where we're at here as far as divergences, right? Let's get this on auto. $882. 891. So slightly more of that negative momentum and whatever bullishness we were looking for, it's gone. We no longer have it. We're gonna, we can just drop more. Oversold at 22.48, man, right? There's really not a lot else going on here except just suckage. Major suckage. Again, we had that bullish divergence pop, hit that 20, bearish divergence came down, moved us farther down, right? Now, on that move, we could still say, yo, we're creating bullish divergence, right? We are creating bullish divergence in the 4 hour. And we would be right by saying that. Now, however, is that going to play out? Is that going to pan out for us? we do know that we at least want to anchor to a new low negative momentum island. So this is when the same island, we got the pop, right? Now we're dropping lower. It still works here. That will still track to there, right? And still have that bullish divergence, but you know, we're going to anchor to a slightly less of that negative momentum, right? Who there, man? Who there, man? Let's see if we hold, man. We are in an area where if we drop farther down, we're going to create, again, more bullish divergence against the RSI. Sold at 32.14, man. Again, market really not doing that great, right? And that's why there's not a lot of people watching, because market suckage. Major market suckage. Look at the 1 hour, man. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, looky, there was bullish divergence. Oh, get our small pop. Nothing bearish coming through. Failing to go higher, failing to recover 21,394. It's starting to move down. We're not lower than the previous low yet. But if we do go there, we're going to start creating bullish divergence against the RSI, right? But we don't have it right now. We're just starting to get this stagnation, this tangle in the lines, indecision. We don't know where we want to go. The bulls are trying to take some control, but they're unable. The bears are trying to drive the price down, but they're unable. That's why we're seeing the price stagnate and maybe stagnate around this range, just like when we started to stagnate around this year range, right? Well, that's about it. There's really not a lot, and we're just waiting for stuff to happen. We haven't done this, man, and we should have. Or maybe we have it somewhere. We have fibs. Yeah, it looks like we have fibs. I just need to get cleaner fibs for this exercise. Let's go on the daily. I just gotta make sure I'm working with some clean fibs. Yeah, like those ones. Let's get this ones. All right, so I want to get new fibs out here from the lowest point. Will be here to the highest point, somewhere around here. We'll go with the wigs. Hell, why not? And then we'll just see where we're floating about, right? And if we do bring this over like this to where the prices are at, we are trying to bounce, or we are heading to at 786, and that's 17,000. Remember, Jake was calling for 17,000 a while back. 17,000, man. That's a 786 fib retracement, right? 78% of the way from the low point to the high point here on this fib scales. All right, let's go check out Ethereum. 1,074. What is happening with Ethereum? I'm glad I've been selling Ethereum, man. Hey. Alrighty, let's go in here. Zooming quite a bit. Are we still holding on to this bullish divergence? Just like Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin got rid of it, so. Ethereum still has it. Strong bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. Not against the RSI, just against the MACD, though. Oversold at 21.19 with that, again, possibility for some action to the upside, right? Are you caught dollar cost averaging down in this market? No, I'm actually still selling. I've been selling on the way down. Since below 37,000. Mainly because I got in at really good areas of value. I got in at below 7, below 10, below 9,000s for Bitcoin. So what I've been doing is I've been preserving wealth. So I'm still making gains. It isn't moving on the way down. And what I'm thinking is if it keeps on dropping, I'm going to be able to get in at lower shares of value with the amount of money that I have. So right now I'm still offloading bags, right? All right, bearish. Action to the downside. Nothing bullish since. Same bullishness that Bitcoin made. Strong bullish against the RSI, right? We shall see where this is going to go. Sold at 34.37. If we do pop, man, we could be aiming for that 20 moving average, hopefully. Maybe try to get above 1,953. 1 hour chart. We had bullish divergence. Look at that. You open a tiny long with light when it hits 18. Ooh, that's interesting. How many times or what leverage are you using, Jake? Neutral 43.66. That's it, right? So again, really nothing bearish here, right? High, lower, high, positive was positive, high, lower. Chilling. I'm really thirsty, man. It's been like a really freaking weird and long day. I feel like burned out from work, actually. On the daily, right? Look at this bearishness. Oh no. Moving down, right? Low, slightly higher. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing here. So bearishness still in play. Moved us down finally, but we're still above the 40-cent mark. So 48 cents. Hey, Ethereum's holding like a champ, guys. Ethereum is holding like a champ. Neutral at 41.82. Sorry if I start yawning a lot, guys. I like feel really tired. That's been crazy. I want to jump in tonight, man. I didn't have a chance to come in yesterday, so of course I wanted to be here tonight for Friday night and talk crypto, talk markets into the weekend, and chill, right? Crypto and chill. I didn't even get to have lunch today. We're like rushing through everything. But hey, man, that's how tenders work, right? Everyone rushes to get everything done at the last freaking minute when they had months to do it. What am I doing here? What am I drawing? There's nothing there. I was going to go somewhere with that line, but I just think completely skipped through it. Neutral 45.64 on the hour side. There's really not a lot going on here in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart. Oh, look at that bearish divergence. Oh, what? Why is there bearish divergence? You all right? Boom, boom, blam. There we are. Bearish divergence moving down. Now we do have some hidden bullish coming in here. And hidden bullish coming in here. Help us pop a bed, drop further down. Guess what happened there? Some bullish divergence strong. Look at that, we're going boom. Bullish divergence strong action to the upside. It's taking a small pop. Right? But we're failing to go higher. And from here to here, there's really nothing bearish developing afterwards. I think we're just going with the rest of the market and not knowing where we want to go. We're just chilling, right? So I think we're facing some crypto indecision. And it's normal after a large move down. I'm not sure if it's going to be one of those weekends that if something happens throughout the weekend, we are going to recover by Sunday. It just doesn't feel like that's a play anymore. So if we do drop on the weekend, maybe Sunday we get more sell-off, and then Monday we just get a major crash. Yeah. Hopefully that's not going to be the case, though. Let's go check out something else. Let's go check out the XRP, man. XRP at 31.75 cents. What? Is it heading to its 25 perma zone? Is it heading to its $250 valley where it landed and stayed there forever and ever? Look at XRP always being around 25 cents, man. Right over here, 21. Here again, 21, 20s. Oh, what was that? There we go. All right, so we're here. Looky here. Looky charms. Bearish divergence. No, not bearish. Bullish divergence strong. Potential function to the upside. So we were going to go for that 37.07. That's a potential target. We're at 31.80. And we're in that range, right? We've broken 37. So we're in this range from 37.07 to 29.89. But for this to happen, Bitcoin has to allow it, right? That means Bitcoin has to pump a bit or stagnate for XRP to try to do its own thing. Otherwise, XRP is going to drop a lot. 4 hour chart. Had some bearishness. Look at that. Oh, no. We still have it. Yep. We still have it here, man. No. Look at that. Nothing into this lower point. But bearish divergence, man. Potential for action to downside. We're down a bit. Hidden bearish. Neutral at 45.75. And on the 1 hour chart, man. On the 1 hour chart. It looks tiny. Let's fix it. Here we go. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. High to low, positive, high to low. Neutral at 44.38. Really not a lot. There's really nothing bullish or bearish right now. We're just consolidating. I think War was telling something about we might break soon something on Bitcoin. I'm not sure. I have to go back to the Discord and check. Again, I've not been able to hang out or do a lot of stuff lately, but let's see. He was drawing something. I don't know what time scale because he didn't piece it. Bitcoin's gonna break out to the upside here in the next couple of hours. We're going to put something in, so I'm not sure. What time scale is he on? Dude. For the war, you have to give me time frames. The 4, I'm not sure he's drawing in the 4 hour there. No. If maybe the I'm trying to see which time he's on. It seems to be like a double hit here somewhere, and then you're moving down with a pump. Maybe he's here, but he's looking at a different time. Was he on the 15-minute chart? No, I have no clue what time scale he's looking at. That's weird. There we go. Anyways, Philip, what's up, my friend? How you's doing, man? How you doing? Let's roll. Again, I told you guys I'm gonna start yawning a lot. This has been brutal. This week has been brutal. Brutality. I only have the fatality sound, but no brutality sound. That's how the week has, man. It's just like, what? The only good thing is that something finished printing. It's huge. Like, how big? Well, this here. Is it this here or this here? Yeah. This here is half the base. It's a huge piece, dude. It's in portions. It's so big it couldn't fit. Even half the base would not fit on the bed of the printer. I actually had to make it quarters to make it fit. So, insane piece, man. Insane, huge piece that we're going to end up, I'm not sure, painting someday, whenever I get a chance. Like, that's just the point. Like, I can only print now. I don't even get a chance to paint or do anything cool. I need to find that time so I can do something I enjoy. Maybe this weekend I'm going to paint, man. I need to decompress a bit. It's been super stressful this week. Super tiring. Oh, man. If you had fun trading crypto this week, type 1. If you didn't have fun trading crypto this week, type 2. I'm intrigued. Did you guys have fun playing crypto, trading crypto? Did you guys took longs or shorts? Let me know in the chat. I'm intrigued, man. I want to know how you guys are doing. I know Preparing for War was doing good with some trades. I'm not sure how he's doing right now. Hasn't posted, I think, some of those. Maybe he has. I just haven't really been following along. He was like doing like 100% the other day, so. Oh, yesterday he also did 120%. Good. Field 1 got some good trades at highs and lows. Let's see. All right, that's awesome, dude. Do you guys think? All right, so you guys think Bitcoin goes to 18,000? You guys think Bitcoin's gonna go to 18,000 this weekend? This weekend? Like, I feel like if I have a beer or a shot, I'm just gonna pass out. That's how tired I feel. Yeah, I don't want to drink anything. I'm just tired. Tired in general, man. It's crazy. It's been a crazy week. But we're good. We are freaking good, man. Damn. I think Bitcoin's facing indecision here in the short term. At least where we're at right now with the massive movement down. We could try to range here. Maybe if we want to create a large range, go from like 23,000 to 19,000. It's just the market's not there, right? And we know why we could drop lower. We've talked about it in the past. It's just Bitcoin could, in theory, just go down to like 12,000, 10,000. It would not be an issue. It's just what it's done in the past in the last 2 bull runs, right? It's dropped 80+%. A lot of people were saying because this time in crypto, we didn't have a blow off top. We're also not gonna see the same bottom. It could be, right? I just don't think so. I think we saw a top. Was it different? Yeah, but it was a top. It was a pretty solid top, right? We made like almost 3 more times what we had the last, or 3.5 times what we had the last bull run, right? So, yeah, I think that's a pretty fair run that Bitcoin had. Even if it wasn't the same high or same percentage-wise, right? Diminishing returns. Massive bearish CVD divergence building. But conversely, perpetual futures has increasing bullish CVD divergence. I think it's part of the decision. Yeah, that's right, Philip. That's why there's a lot of indecision in the market, right? We've been saying that. Particularly now with large moving down. Large moving down brings gets people scared. And when people are scared, they get undecided, right? They get undecisive about what they want to do. So instead of like going in and buying, they're holding. They're trying to see where the money's gonna go, where their monies are gonna go, before they actually make a decision, take a call somewhere, right? Yeah. Mr. War, we were talking about you earlier. I was wondering how you doing with your trades. I'd say you posted another 120% gains, so I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you. And I was wondering what time scale you were looking at for your, we're going to break out soon somewhat. So, like this, I'm not sure what time you're looking at. So 15-minute, half hour. 1 hour, I was trying to match it, but I couldn't find it. Yeah. The 15, I had the 15, I just couldn't find that place that you were looking at. Your Bitcoin long was fake out. Yeah, I would not be right now betting longs, dude. At least not in large amounts. Nothing that would like get you liquidated, right? If you're gonna go long or something like that, I would just suggest that you do it conservatively because the market is facing indecision, right? Crypto Dingus, what is up, dude? Sideways. Coming in slightly lower. Bearish divergence, right? Type 2 for medium. However you want to call it. Right? Medium bearish. Class B. Whatever. However you want to call it. Ghostbusters. Bearish divergence in the moving down. Oh no. Can't get out of here. There we go. Slightly lower, more negative momentum, right? Bullish divergence against the freaking RSI. That's good. That's what we got the pop. Bullish divergence, and look at that potential for moving up here on the Bitcoin. Oh, right on, right? That's what we're looking for here. The wizard asks about the dingus. The dingus asks about the wizard. Ain't it weird, Ari? We are wizards. Right. I am always here. I think it's just the same person talking to himself. I just find it hilarious. The dingo and the wizard sitting in a tree. Both chatting from the same cell phone E. Man. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Again, sorry about the late stream. It's just been crazy. Like I said, turned into tender today. Finally, that part is freaking over. Now we gotta work on the presentation, which is it's another issue, but you know, at least with the tender done, the bid for the tender, it just makes it so much easier because now all the information is there. We just gotta grab it and put it into PowerPoint, and it should be smoother sailing, I hope. But they're gonna want to make the presentation so nice and fluffy, and I suck at making fluffy presentations. I just make solid presentations, not like pretty fluffy whatever, man. I just talk about hard data. And they're gonna make it like fireworks and you know rainbows shooting out of unicorns' butts. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna pull that one off. Interesting though, interesting, very very interesting. So on to the weekend, guys. You think we're gonna drop or pop? Pop, lock, and drop it. What we're gonna be doing with crypto? 20 people watching. Alright, the war says sideways. We're gonna hear sideways. That was not an option, but that's fine. You're entitled to have your own opinion. That is right. Alrighty. Anyone else care to take a crack as to where we're gonna go on the weekend? What are you guys' beliefs? Let me know. I mean, come on. 20 people watching, no one can tell me what they think is gonna do. I mean, we're already dead, but anyone else? Anyone else? Get some sounds here, man. Oh. Anyone else?
My name is Jeff.
Come on. Someone has to have something to say.
Nope.
Alrighty, let's go. What else, guys? What else you want to look at? Let me know. I'm waiting for, you know, you guys to say, yo, we want to do this. Is this working? Is this getting blurred out? I'm not sure. You might be able to see the blue. Yeah, I think so. Yep. Blue works. Jack says, I'm bullish on art. Check the DM. King Colin. I will check it in a second. Let me see what Jake sent me here. So Jake says, I am bullish on art. Pro Moon. Oh, cool. That is pretty cool, man. It's a 4th of July meme card with the Peppy and the, I don't know who this is. And I don't know who that is. Alright, I cannot play some of these sounds. Hopefully they were not coming through because I don't want to get no copyright strikes. Or, well, not copyright strikes. What is it? Copyright claims. Alrighty, promo 1. And this fireworks coming out of Peppy's butt. I'm kidding. That's not coming out. Brian Wojak. Alright. And he's hiding in his other pants. Ooh. Yeah. The crystal ball. Do we have a crystal ball? We do. It's a here. Just like this. Not really a ball. It's more like a crystal cylinder. But it works. It works. Also, I got cool Father's Day presents today for my kids. I'm going to show the back of them, but something like that. And then this. Pretty cool stuff, right? Because, you know, and that letter. That's freaking awesome stuff. That's cool when kids give you stuff. It's copyright free music. All right, cool. Right. Someone said sand, so let's check it, right? Because, you know, why not? The sand. The Zandals. What are we going to do with the sand dollars? Here we go. I remember when sand was $6 back when I was younger. Now it's like 83 cents. What's happening with sand? It's taking a massive dive. Look at that. I remember when it was up here, man. $8, $6. You know, they were launching their metaverse, their sand alpha passes. They're really good. And then it's like Snoop Dogg bought in, probably smoked so much weed he burned down the whole place. Now it's down to like peanuts. There's bullish divergence. On the plus side, there's bullish divergence. Now on the negative side, it's not gonna matter if crypto keeps tanking in general, right? It's gonna affect the rest of the market. They're not gonna care about its bullish divergence. It's gonna be like, yeah, bullish divergence, I don't care. I want to poop on everyone, and then the market's just gonna go down. I'm starting to get like a second wind of energy, which is good because I was getting really, really exhausted here for a second. Which is lack of sleep, guys. I've been getting very little sleep the last couple days. Sold at 30.04. Let's go to the daily. 4 hour, man. And trying to recover. We can't. Maybe we have some hidden divergence came into play. Oh, looky here, hidden divergence. I spot you. Hidden divergence. I choose you. What is it? Hidden bearish divergence. I choose you. Bear Muckachun. And then like a bearish Pokemon comes out. First or whatever the Pokemon bear was. And it just goes down. Why was there no bull Pokemon? They no bullish. Did they have no bullish sentiments at, like, you know, Central City or whatever it was that they played at? So neutral at 40.15, guys. There's really nothing bullish here. If anything, I mean, there is some kind of support line that we have. And that support line goes like this. It goes like this. All right, and we need to get above it, right? So, stay above it. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Hidden bullish divergence here. Hidden bullish divergence making us move us sideways. So no. Sideways. The dreaded sideways motion. Right, so we're moving sideways. Going below 20 still. Getting away from it. Nothing bullish till now. Right. If we do drop lower than this previous low, we're going to start creating some bullish divergence. Then we might be looking for a pop here in sand. Well, that's about it. Let's go check out the link. Hey, listen. Link. Link at $6.11. The Linkus bullish divergence. Getting a pop going for a 20. What do you knew? We're going to go bullish. So we're bullish at 20 rejection. And here we have something for another time scale that's coming through. Is it this one here, or was it? Yeah, maybe this one. No, something else. Maybe from the 1 hour. Had the bullishness. Why is this match with nothing on the bottom? It is a 4 hour chart. It should have been a line that was going like this, saying, "Oh, there's a bearish divergence." I know. Look at that. It's still there. The extra downside, right? And that's it. So, was it a support line? No, it wasn't. All right. Wonder why I have that line there that's not matched to anything. Moving down below 20. Starting to go farther still. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 40.76. Nothing bullish. Last thing we have, hidden bearish. Down and sideways. Yeah, that's where we are. 1 hour. Oh, look. This came from the 4. All right. Go back to the 4. Now the question. Is this the thing that was going to show on the daily? No, it isn't. Is this what was showing on the daily? It wasn't. All right, weird stuff happening there in the daily. Bearish divergence moved down. Guess what happened afterwards? We pumped. Why? Guess what? We'll figure in a second. But look, more bearish divergence. Oh no, strong. Oh no, moving down. Hidden bullish happening here, right? For the secondary rally and sideways motion. So strong bearish, hidden bullish. Hidden bullish helping us hold a bit. Am I anchoring in? Yeah, I wasn't. Good thing I caught this right now. My eye's starting to hurt. Jeez. There we go. Jonathan Thomas. Hope everything's going good, man. It's just super tiring right now. Presented a tender, which is good. We presented a bit today. Submitted it on time. It's just everyone was sending in last minute stuff, so you have to be updating everything last minute. Make sure you don't fumble anything. And then I was saying it's funny, people saying like, "There's no index." I'm like, why do you want an index? We haven't even finished putting everything together. People keep shifting stuff. So once we figure out how it's gonna be, then I'll make the index. But it was fine. It was fine. We delivered on time, which is what matters. It's just super stressful day, man, because it just felt like we were not gonna make it on time, and that's just how tenders usually are. We're presenting a bid. It's just everything is just happening last minute. Also, and you're revising stuff, changing stuff. Take this out, move that there. I don't like this how this looks. Just change this, change that. In the end, we'll see, right? So that's it. Bullish. Trying to pump here on link. Yeah, it all worked out. I'm just really tired because for the last couple days, it's just been super stressful at work with this thing. Just like it was last week, but since we got another week, it just became a whole like revise this, change that. We didn't like this. We're getting an opportunity to like take more time and go through it again. And in the end, it's just like fuck again. It's like okay, cool. So we're gonna have more time, but even when you get more time, people are still doing things last minute. So yesterday I went to bed somewhere around like, oh shit, I have no clue. I wanted to go to bed early. I just know I went like past 3 in the morning. And then we got up at 7. And then the day before that, I went to bed. Like I came live for a couple minutes and I kept working past 3, maybe 4, and then have to wake up at 8. So I just have not been getting the best sleep, man. I'm just really, really tired for the last couple days and stressed. Like today, I just felt like a huge stress got lifted off my shoulders, but it's just tiring. I'm gonna calling it a stream, guys. I'm gonna go catch some Z's. Gonna go catch some Z's. Zeds, if you're in the UK. Gonna catch some Zeds. Just gonna pass out. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're into the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. Oh, I'm just so tired. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again. Tomorrow stream should be regular. I don't have anything on the schedule for tomorrow. And hopefully I'll be able to crack open a beer today. I just didn't want to have one because if I had a beer, I was going to crash. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. Until then.